Hello friends, due to some technical problem, just this video, 10 minutes video will be added to you. Please click this link also, right? For continuation of our third unit of question ethics, right? So previous topic here, theories of ethics, right? So we discussed these things: utilitarian theory, virtues theory, deontological theory, and rights theory, Kohlberg, Delegans, and Hinge theories we discussed, and also modern theories. In 20th centuries, 1948 and 1970s, we have different theories. Already we discussed these all things in this previous slide, previous link, right? So now, already we discussed the benefits of ethical theories. Now, just listen. Comparison with the standard experiments. This is the simple topic. And then next class, we will have the rules of courts, and then liability solutions. Next, engineer as a manager, engineer as a conflict solver, dispute settlement. And next, engineer as a consultant, and engineer as a leader. And these things we need to discuss in the next class. And we will end up with this our third unit of professional ethics and human values. Next, we will enter the fourth unit of professional ethics and human values. Today, this short comparison with standard experiments. So here, standard experiments means, so experiments means a trials. Do some trials. So standard means target oriented and fixed, excellent experiments. So these standard experiments comparison with engineering experiments. So simply comparison between here two things. Those are engineering experiments as well as standard experiments. So comparison between these two. So here, first of all, look at this thing. Standard experiment means the experimental control involves selecting members from two different groups randomly. So here we need to select two members from two different groups randomly. The first group of members are given the special and experimental treatment. So first group will given special experimental treatment, whereas the members of other group are not given the special treatment. So we selected two groups from all members, and one group will give it a special treatment, a special experiment, and second group will not given any experiment or any special treatments. Even both these groups are subjected to same environment. So these two groups came from the same environment. The group that was not given the special treatment is called control group. So control group means here the group was not given a special treatment. That is called as control group. Right? This is about standard experiments. So here in the engineering experiments, usually there are no control on groups. Sometimes the control group is used only when the project is limited to laboratory experiments. Right? Once again, I want to repeat, sometimes the control group is only used when the project is limited to laboratory experiments, right? So here, because the engineering experiments involves human beings are not experimental subjects. In fact, the clients and the customers have more control as their own authority that of the projects. So here, the experimental subjects say clients or end users are not or out of experiments control. The engineers should work with the available historical and the fair data and about the various groups. So here, the engineering experiments, these employees only should base upon the available data and the historical data, not do any experiments, not conducting any new experiments. Just they are doing those activities and based upon the historical and available data only. That is engineering experiments. So standard experiments means just to do the experiment and particular groups, right? So coming to this thing, comparison with the standard experiments. So here, engineering experiments versus standard experiments, these are the different points to deviate these two. The first thing, scientific knowledge is the first deviate point between the standard experiments and the engineering experiments, right? Having the knowledge about the technology, technically equipments, and how to use those equipments. Next, safety and monitoring facts is another deviate point from engineering experiments and standard experiments. Next, taking the uncertainty decisions. So simply improper and doubtful decisions. Next, moral autonomy. Already we this moral autonomy topic in this previous classes. Autonomy means just having freedom, right? Having the independent behavior, independency when we are following the morals and ethics. So we don't pressure, don't have any force, and don't have any punishments to follow the morals or not. That is called as moral autonomy. Next, accountability. Simply, accountability means responsibilities. So having the responsibility towards their works, towards their activities in their workplace, right? As an engineer, we need to have and we need to develop, we need to feel responsible towards our work. Next, continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring means they're checking the performance of each and every activities performed by the employees as well as the workers. So this monitoring, this checking is continuously monitoring, continuously check the performance of each and every workers. The next thing, learning from the past. It is one of the basic thing in engineering experiments. Next, having the discipline and controlling upon the works and have in our workplace. And next, giving the motivations to the workers. So encourage the people and inspire people by using this motivation technique. And next, plan for stop hazards and dangerous situations in the plant or in the workplace. So plan for stop the hazard situations. Next thing, servicing and protecting the society. Servicing and protecting the society. So plan for and do the experiments for protecting the society, right? Next, inspiration and guidance to the workers to achieve the targets of the company, as well as how to save the time and how to save the costs. So based upon these things, we need to give the guidance to the workers and inspiration to the workers, just to inspire the workers to reach the targets of the companies. Next, last point is here, conscientiousness. Conscientiousness means the quality of to do one's work and caring with caring. That is called as here conscientiousness. These are the different these are the points to deviate engineering experiments and standard experiments. So these are the comparative points, comparison points, factors with the engineering experiments and standard experiments, right? This is a small topic, just you need to listen. Thanks for listening, guys. Stay home, stay safe. Be careful with Corona and be prepared for your exam.